Hey everyone, welcome back to TechGlob YouTube channel. Recently I have installed Microsoft Windows Server 2022 on VMware Workstation. Okay, so by default the display resolution will come sometimes like this, okay, the small window. So in this case I will show you how to expand the display settings. So when you install the Windows in the VMware, automatically, once the installation complete, the VMware tools you can see in the below, okay, or you can select on the top VMware window, click on VM, install VM tools, and once you click on that, go to the Windows, then click on File Explorer and click on this PC. Here you can see it is auto detect the VMware tools, then right click and install or run program from your media. Okay, so the installation will start, and let me click on next and select typical and next and install. Now as you can see, the system auto detect my display settings, and here you can see, let me click on finish, and as you can see, VMware tools updated all the components. So I recommend restart the Windows, so all the settings will apply smoothly. So let me restart. So once it is complete, let's see the full screen mode. Let me click on the enter full screen mode. Now as you can see, it's working perfect. All right, that's it for this demonstration. Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment in my channel, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.